Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. Can you imagine that Excel will speak the contents of your file? Yes, this is possible. In this video, we will learn how we can tell Excel to read and speak the contents of file for us. You can see here more commands is there. You have to click on this. Then from this menu, you have to select commands not in ribbon. Then here to you have to search for speak cells. Here we have found the speak cells. This we have to add, and then again we have to select this speak cells, stop speaking cells. This we will add and click on OK. So you can see these two buttons are there. Now we will see how we have to use this. So we will select the data which we want Excel to read and speak. Now we will click on this speak cells.
No. Name of country. Population, in crores. 1. China. 143.93. 2. India. 138.00. 3. United States.
For stopping, we will click
33.10.
on stop speaking cells. So this has stopped the speaking of cells. For more magical tricks like this, please subscribe to our channel Gupta Education World. Thank you friends for watching this video.